Have you and your partner become battle weary? I've spent over the last 3 decades learning from the most effective self-improvement and relationship experts from around the world. And now I'm looking to make a bigger difference by sharing the secrets I have learned and the techniques I have created. The real question is, are you truly ready to become a better you? A person whose love is unconditional, whose attitude is always positive, and whose strength can go unmatched. This podcast is here to give you the answers. Join me and follow along as I share relationship strategies to grow you to the next level and beyond. My name is Mark Webb, and welcome to the Relationship Specialist Network. Battle weary is a term that I made up years ago, but it's where the couple starts calling each other on every infraction. Maybe not out loud, but they're thinking it. At its worst, how it looks is maybe like a wife walks out of the room and the husband mutters under his breath something like, bitch, as she walks out of the room. Or the husband walks out of the room and the wife makes some gesture behind his head, something real mature like. If a couple keeps that up, they will die. They may stay married, raise their children up, watch their children have children, but it'll be a dead marriage. People do it all the time. And I don't know why we do this, but when we start having problems, we start demanding that our partner be 100%. When none of us has ever been 100. On your best day, you might have been a 95, but all of a sudden you start having problems, we start demanding that our partner be 100%. My wife and I, we became battle weary pretty early on in that first 5 to 7 years, like when all the rookie mistakes are being made. And I think we became battle weary because we had 3 cards in common that worked against us. My wife and I are both very independent people. We're both very hard-headed people. And we're both too smart for our own good. What do you do when both people are right? You butt heads. And we quickly took an amazing relationship and we ran that sucker right into the ground the first 5 to 7 years. And I hate arguing, I hate conflict, and it was just really exhausted by this. And that's the thing that therapists commonly do is they're always having you share your feelings and how were things this week, and they actually perpetuate this sense of battle weariness. And one of the keys to getting back to the baseline is you got to start identifying bad habits such as these so that you can see them for what they are. And this is one of the worst ones, and it dies really, really hard. You have to be mindful of the sensitivity that we develop. And some of the toughest guys that I know are very sensitive when it comes to arguing with their partner. So I need you to be mindful of this battle weariness and that it does take a while for it to break. And that's one reason I really call a truce with my couples right away, is to break that cycle of them constantly calling their partner on every little thing. The next episode, I'm going to teach you what to actually do when this occurs. Thank you.